Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try, the weight just doesn't come off? Like you're stuck in a cycle of frustration, looking in the mirror and wondering, what am I doing wrong? Imagine working out, eating clean, and still seeing zero results. Sounds familiar? Well, let me tell you something. This isn't your fault. Most people, unknowingly, are sabotaging their own progress. But what if I told you that by fixing just 5 key mistakes, you could finally see the weight dropping, your energy skyrocketing, and your confidence returning? The question is, are you ready to break free from the cycle and finally transform your body? Let's dive in and fix this together. Mistake number 1. Overeating healthy foods. You're eating healthy, right? But here's the catch. Many so-called healthy foods are loaded with calories, and when you eat too much of them, they can completely derail your weight loss journey. Let me break it down for you. Nuts, avocados, olive oil, and granola are amazing for your health. But did you know that a single tablespoon of olive oil has 120 calories? Or that a handful of almonds can pack over 160 calories? The problem is, we think, this is healthy so I can eat as much as I want. But even healthy calories add up. You might think you're eating 1,500 calories a day. But with these hidden calorie bombs, it could easily be 2,000 or more. How to fix it? Here's how you fix it. Start tracking your food. Use an app or a notebook and measure your portions. For example, instead of grabbing a whole bag of nuts, measure out 15 to 20 almonds. When making salads, drizzle olive oil lightly or use a spray bottle to control the amount. The key isn't to avoid these foods, but to consume them mindfully. Mistake number 2. Relying only on cardio. How many hours have you spent running on the treadmill or cycling, thinking it's the ultimate fat burner? Here's the truth. Cardio helps, but relying only on cardio is one of the biggest mistakes people make. Why? Because while cardio burns calories, it doesn't do much to build muscle, and muscle is what keeps your metabolism revved up. When you lose weight without building or maintaining muscle, you're not just losing fat, you're losing muscle too. This slows your metabolism, making it even harder to lose weight in the long run. Plus, spending hours on the treadmill can get boring, leading to burnout. How to fix it? The solution? Strength training. Incorporate compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses into your routine. You don't need to lift super heavy weights. Start with what you're comfortable with. Strength training not only helps you lose fat, but also shapes and tones your body. Combine this with short, high-intensity cardio sessions for maximum impact. Mistake number 3. Skipping meals or crash dieting. Have you ever skipped breakfast thinking it would save calories? Or tried a crash diet where you eat 500 calories a day, hoping to see quick results? Let me tell you why this doesn't work. When you skip meals or eat too little, your body goes into survival mode. It holds on to fat because it thinks you're starving, and instead of losing weight, you feel tired, sluggish, and even hungrier. What's worse, when you do eat after starving yourself, you're more likely to binge on high-calorie junk food. This creates a vicious cycle of starvation and overeating, which leaves you feeling worse than before. How to fix it? Stop skipping meals and start eating balanced, consistent meals throughout the day. A good meal includes protein, like eggs or chicken, complex carbs, like quinoa or sweet potatoes, and healthy fats, like nuts or olive oil. Meal prep is your best friend. Set aside time to prepare your meals for the week so you're not tempted to skip or grab unhealthy options. Mistake number 4. Drinking your calories. Do you know how many calories you're drinking every day? Sugary sodas, flavored lattes, even fruit juices can add hundreds of hidden calories without making you feel full. For example, a single can of soda has around 150 calories. Drink 2 of those a day, and that's an extra 300 calories, enough to sabotage your calorie deficit. Even healthy drinks like smoothies or protein shakes can be calorie traps if you're not careful. A store-bought smoothie can have as much as 400 calories thanks to added sugars and syrups. How to fix it? The solution is simple. Drink water. Make it a habit to drink a glass of water before every meal. It helps with portion control and keeps you hydrated. If plain water feels boring, add slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint for flavor. And when it comes to coffee, stick to black or use low-calorie sweeteners. Mistake number 5. Unrealistic expectations. Here's a harsh truth. Most of us want quick results. We start a diet or workout routine expecting to lose 5 kilograms in a week, and when that doesn't happen, we feel like failures and give up. But weight loss is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Your body doesn't work on your schedule. Healthy, sustainable weight loss happens at a rate of 0.5 to 1 kilogram per week. Anything faster than that is usually water weight or muscle loss, not fat loss. How to fix it? Shift your focus to long-term goals. Celebrate non-scale victories, like feeling more energetic, fitting into old clothes, or developing healthier habits. And remember, consistency is key. It's better to make small, sustainable changes than to overhaul everything and burn out in 2 weeks. Here are some bonus tips. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to regulate hunger hormones and boost weight loss. Focus on consistency, not perfection. Don't let one mistake ruin your progress. Keep going and stay consistent with healthy habits. Hydrate smartly. Drink water throughout the day, but avoid overhydration. Aim for about 8 glasses a day unless you're more active. Incorporate more fiber. Add fiber-rich foods like fruits, veggies, and whole grains to keep you full longer and support digestion. Track your progress with photos. Take regular progress photos to track changes beyond just the scale, focusing on how your body is transforming. Accept this challenge. These 5 mistakes might seem small, but they can make or break your weight loss journey. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one mistake, fix it this week, and share your progress in the comments. If you're serious about transforming your body and life, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's crush those goals together, one step at a time.